Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Canva app. Open it and sign in. Tap Templates and immediately pick the design you want to modify so you don't lose momentum. Once the template loads, locate the image area you'll replace and make sure the photo you want is already in your phone gallery or uploaded to Canva. This matters because Canva pulls from uploads first. Having the file ready eliminates delays and keeps your layout from shifting while you work. Now tap the image frame to select it and use the Replace control that appears. This swaps the asset without breaking layout. Choose Uploads to pick your phone photo or photos to search Canva's library. Once inserted, you'll need to adjust fit and position, pinch to zoom, drag to reposition, and use crop or position for precise alignment. You can also apply filters or adjust settings so the new picture matches the template's color and contrast for a professional. Once the image looks right, preview the entire design in full screen to check text contrast and element spacing. This step prevents surprises after export. When satisfied, tap Share then Download, pick your file type and quality, and save to your phone or share directly. If the replacement looks blurry or missized, re-upload a higher resolution file or tap Reset on the image element to restore frame proportions. Then reapply the photo. This fixes common sizing and clarity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.